Not all artists work with paint in the same way, but all artists are driven by the same love of painting this noble and pure material. These courses are deeply oriented towards painting modeling volumes, applying gold, platinum, and imitation inlay, with the sole objective of learning to master painting on porcelain. The advice given in each course is simple and accessible to everyone, but it cannot in any way replace work and experience. We must not forget that any art requires perseverance, determination, and patience. Start with small flat, plate-like pieces that are easy to hold in your hand. Choose good quality brushes, both flexible and nervous, which will give you a more precise line, a more nuanced touch, guaranteeing progress. To complete your equipment, you will also need small materials: knife, palette, porcelain pencil, pen holder, razor varnish, tracing paper, as well as colors or pigments from all sources can be used. But it is important to ensure that the most flexible and covering pigments are used, especially in dark shades. In order to facilitate the work, do not forget the medium: MX54, S63AM, set 179. The essences: lavender oil, turpentine, and household alcohol. Always work in a light and above all well-ventilated area due to the harmfulness of the volatile products used. Wearing very thin rubber gloves is recommended. Preparing the colors. Prepare your colors on a clean surface. Clean the tile with household alcohol. Then pour a drop of MX54 medium, carefully crushing the powder using the spatula to obtain a more homogeneous paste than possible. Then add a drop of lavender oil to slow down the drying. The paint must be neither too liquid nor too thick, and to test this we will take a little color on the end of the spatula. It must flow, forming a large drop. Brush maintenance. To properly clean your brushes, soak them in turpentine. This product causes the color pigments to fall to the bottom of the bottle. Wipe the brushes using absorbent paper. At the end of the work, clean your brushes with dishwashing liquid and rinse them with lukewarm water. Goodbye.